Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using the service. Today, we're looking at OneMain Financial, found online at www.onemainfinancial.com. OneMain Financial offers personal loans, and it's important to understand what they provide before you decide if they're the right fit for your financial needs. This isn't a sponsored video, I'm just sharing my research and experience with their platform. Navigating their website, you'll find information on loan options, interest rates, and repayment terms. It's crucial to carefully examine these details. OneMain Financial emphasizes a personalized approach, aiming to connect borrowers with loan solutions tailored to their specific circumstances. This suggests they may consider a wider range of financial profiles than some other lenders. OneMain Financial's website provides resources like financial calculators and educational materials, potentially helpful for those new to borrowing or looking to improve their financial literacy. It's always a good idea to take advantage of these tools to make informed decisions. Remember, borrowing money is a serious commitment, so understanding the terms and conditions is paramount. OneMain Financial operates physical branches across the US, which could be a significant advantage for those who prefer face-to-face interactions when discussing financial matters. Having a local branch allows for personalized service and the opportunity to ask questions directly to a representative. However, their online presence allows for applications and loan management digitally, offering convenience for those who prefer online banking. Before committing to any loan, I strongly advise comparing offers from multiple lenders. This allows you to assess the various interest rates, fees, and repayment options available to find the most suitable terms. Take your time, do your research, and don't rush into a decision. While OneMain Financial may be a viable option for some, it's essential to thoroughly evaluate your own financial situation and explore all available avenues. Remember, borrowing responsibly is key to maintaining a healthy financial future. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance.